It's your cousin Teddy. He's a waiter. He's single and he likes rock music.
It's my brother, Edith. He's a doctor. He's called white and two kids and like classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No,
Your brother?
no.
An uncle?
It's my aunt Judy.
Sorry, Mr. Morse. She looks like your uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She's an architect,
Artist,
married,
divorced,
2 kids, 3 kids, 4, 5 kids.
no kids, only 8 more. Here's an easy one.
I don't know.
It's my father.
I know. Who's your father? Why are you showing me Photoshop? Your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
It's not the notch.
Not that later. You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who know how many cousins, nieces and nephews? I say that a large family.
They are not all coming over.
No, those 18 want them.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay, okay. Your cousin John?
Wow,